So if Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac has increased the loan limits for 2022, to me that means that they are projecting values to continue to go up. Now, how does that impact you as the buyer? Let's hop into the video. Like I mentioned, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac has increased the loan limits for 2022. This is big news for our industry because it gives more people the opportunity to use conventional financing when it comes to purchasing your home. But the one thing that no one's really talking about is why are they increasing the loan limit? In my opinion, the reason why they're doing that is because they are also projecting that housing prices are not going to slow down. In fact, they're going to keep going up next year. That's why they're allowing this loan limit increase to take place. So if you've been a buyer on the sidelines thinking that forbearances were going to create a ton of foreclosures, or if you think that there's going to be this mass foreclosure crisis that's going to happen like 2008, I think you have to reassess and think about your strategy of buying a house. Because I can tell you this, I talked to a client named Joe yesterday, and Joe's been waiting thinking that there was going to be a huge foreclosure crisis, and only to have been putting himself on the sideline for the last year and a half. I talked to him yesterday and he actually said that now he's ready to buy. But I told him, I was like, Joe, what would have happened if you would have bought the house a year and a half ago when I first spoke to you? You probably could have purchased that home for about $350,000. And today, it's probably worth about $450,000. So even though this is good news that the loan limits are being increased, I think you also have to look at the bigger picture. Loan limits are going up, housing prices are going up, and for all of you that are on the sidelines waiting, debating, is this the right time? I think rates are too high, whatever it is that's holding you back, I think the cost of waiting is costing you thousands of dollars, whether it's going to be towards your down payment or in interest paid, because interest rates have also been going up as well. There's so many factors that are moving the scale towards higher interest rates, prices are going up, inflation's going up. There's all these factors that are impacting the housing market. Now, could there be a slowdown? Potentially. But for that massive crash that some people think is going to happen, I just can't see that happening. But there is a silver lining with conventional loans being able to go up to a higher amount. For those of you that were borderline in terms of your financing, whether you were just above the old conventional loan limit of a little over $540,000, you've got a little more buying power now. Conventional loans are a little easier to qualify for than a jumbo loan. So in that sense, this move is helpful. But I still wouldn't wait on the sidelines. I would still rush to figure out, can I qualify? How much can I qualify for? And take advantage of this opportunity, because I think if you wait another year thinking that things are gonna get better, I really don't think that's gonna happen, and you're only gonna pay for it out of your pocket. So if you're thinking about purchasing, make sure to check out this playlist to learn how to get your mortgage right. My name's Uyehara. I'll see you on the next video.